The four reasons that substance abuse claims are denied by long-term disability carriers. Now, ERISA disability carriers or plans are always looking for a reason to deny or terminate benefits. And if you have substance abuse issues, you can expect that the disability carrier plan is going to be looking at your claim very closely and looking for a reason to deny or terminate benefits. In my experience, there are normally four reasons why a substance abuse claim is denied. The first reason is that they will say that your condition is pre-existing and that you got evaluation and treatment during what's called the look-back period. If you have a new policy and you're applying for benefits, there's going to be what's called a look-back period where the disability carrier or plan will look back in a certain period of time to see whether there was a diagnosis or whether or not you got evaluation or treatment. So if you've had a plan or policy and you switch, you can expect that there's going to be a pre-existing condition clause issue. Clearly, you need to read that policy or plan before you stop work because that can impact whether or not you're even eligible for a ERISA disability claim. Now, the second reason that these claims are denied is something called the self-infliction policy limitation. The argument is that you've chosen to use or abuse and you are self-injuring, and that is excluded under the terms of the policy. The third reason that they will use to justify a claims denial or termination is that you wouldn't be disabled if you were compliant with the substance abuse treatment. And of course, the fourth reason would be you're not disabled by any other disabling conditions. You're only disabled as a result of this substance abuse issue, and that substance abuse issue is limited to just 2 years under the terms of the plan or policy, or, as I've said, could actually be excluded under the pre-existing condition clause. If you are disabled as a result of substance abuse, I think you need to read this policy closely from beginning to end so you understand the limitations of proof. There is another defense that they will raise, and that's sort of the cleanup defense, and that is they'll argue that your substance abuse is the manifestation of a psychiatric condition and benefits are limited to just 2 years. If your claim has been denied or terminated, give us a call at 727-894-3188. We can't guarantee to you that we can get out, if you will, of the substance abuse limitations or the subsequent defenses that we see in these cases, but certainly we're willing to take a look at your claim to see if we can help. 727-894-3188.